First thing before you start collaging, you have to get books and magazines, and then usually the more obscure the better. You can like reimagine them to be something new. So like there's a dog, he's on vacation by the beach, and so I'm just gonna cut out the most complicated thing, then dive right into using the X-Acto knife. This couple, they just look fabulous. So I need to change the backdrop. I'm gonna put the water scene to kind of give contrast, blue and green, and I'm gonna throw the fabulous couple in the back. I'm gonna add the dog on the hammock. There has to be like negative space and positive space, but it's really just vibing out. I'm more like kind of telling a story about a couple on vacation, but the story is coming together. This is where I start like reframing, redeciding things just to give it that final touch. So now I'm gonna get it ready to laminate, so it'll be forever preserved. This is one of my favorite crafts because it's just relaxing and just let your mind flow with it. So yeah.